Looking for amazing seamless wood Procreate brushes? Look no further. In this video, I'm gonna give you a tour of my Wood Procreate brush set. Hello there, Stephanie here from My Prince Collection, the place where I share with you the best ways for you to use the Procreate app so that you can make money online. I am pleased to introduce you to the Wood Brush set for Procreate. This set contains 16 amazing Wood Procreate brushes, specially created to create amazing wood effects in your digital art. Let me give you an overview of the brushes that you will get. Let's open the Procreate app, and this set is the wood set for Procreate. It has 16 textured brushes. I'm gonna give you an overview of the brushes. So with the darker color selected as the background and a lighter color selected to use my brushes, I'll go to my brush pack and I'm gonna quickly show you the brushes that you will get. So there's a light wood texture. There is a dry cracked bench. There is a tree bark plant. There another tree bark plant. Tree bark. Plywood. Tilewood. Another tilewood, another tree bark. Paint and plywood, wood board, another wood board, just a light wood texture, and another tree bark. So now I'm gonna go over a couple of things regarding these brushes. So the way that the brushes are set up and the best way to use them as is to have a darker background and use a lighter color to get the effect. If you want the other way around, to have a lighter background and a darker stroke, what you can do is go to the brush, for example this one, and go to the grain source. Click on the grain source with 2 fingers, tap on it and invert the grain. So now we click done. And now I'm gonna show you the difference. So if I have this lighter background and now I'm using a darker color, you can see that it works as it works well as well. So it's up to you if you want to use a lighter background or a darker background, and you can adjust the brush. So going back to the brush, other thing, I'm gonna invert this again. Another thing about these brushes is that if you increase or decrease the size of your stroke, the pattern will remain the same. It will not change the size of the pattern. To adjust that to your liking, what you can do is go to the brushes, the brush studio, and when you go to grain, as a default for this brush, for example, it's 25%. If you want to decrease the scale of the brush to, for example, 15, okay, done. You'll do it over these settings and it will decrease the pattern that this brush created, or the other way around also work. So if we increase a lot or as you please, or so let's go with 35, let's go with 35. And now let me increase the size of the brush. As you can see, the pattern has increased. So as you can see, there's a lot of options that these brushes give you, and they are quite fun to use and to create those amazing wood textures. And we are done with a quick overview of this set. If you have any questions regarding this set, make sure to leave me a comment in the description below. To give your creativity a boost, I have created the texture series Wood Edition, where I share with you some cool tips and tricks to get you started. With this product, you will get access to 16 amazing Wood Procreate brushes, 1 color palette and 1 PDF with the links to access the texture series Wood Edition, or you can just subscribe to this channel to be notified when a new video is uploaded. In these tutorials, you will learn how to create a seamless wood pattern from scratch using the Procreate app, how to create a Wood Procreate Brush, how to use gradient maps to add some color to a wood texture, how to create an engraved wood effect, and finally, how to create a wood log with an engraved photo. As a bonus, I am sharing a free Wood Procreate brush as well as a wood pattern from the set for you to give it a go. The links to access it are in the description below. Now, question, I'm curious, what would you create first with this free Wood Procreate brush? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next tutorial, happy drills and illustrations!